Hi, I'm Candy Pie, and today I'm going to be doing an old Hollywood look. So if you want to learn how to do this look, stay tuned for my tutorial. Okay, so basically what I'm going to do, I sprayed some heat protectant spray on my hair, and then I'm going to go in with the flat iron and make a curl. Let the curl cool a little and then pin curl it. I've already done the majority of my hair, and I'll show you how I curl the front pieces, because the way I curl the front pieces is different from the way I curl the back. So for this piece, I'm going to do a wand curl on this part of the hair. Iron, and you just wrap it around and kind of let the hair twist a little as well. Take these pieces and pin curl them. The only reason why I did not do that curl for my entire head is because I wanted to have a tighter curl in the back and more of just a loose wave in the front. So yeah, but you could curl your hair the same way all the way around, but this just gives me more of the wave pattern that I'm going for the old Hollywood look. So once you have all your hair curled, you can let it sit for a little bit, but you just start taking out the pin curls. Okay, so once you have all your curls out, take an oil. It's very lightweight. I've been using this oil for years. I will have it in the description box. So just take a little oil and rub it through the curls, give it some shine. And then you're going to take your brush and you're going to start brushing your curls. Could have did some more pieces on this side. Definitely should have curled this part. Take a piece over here and curl it like this. Just to give it a little more wave on this side. Alright. Okay. Go in with the brush. Just give it a little tease at the top for some height. Stand up a little bit. And pretty much so you just keep working your way down. Pretty much just combing to the right this way. The way the wave is going. Kind of just lift it up, then you pin it. That's what I do at least. We're only looking for that wave to be just kind of right in the front here, like so. And this I just wanted to just be curly. I wanted it to be a little more curlier, so because I wanted it to be a little shorter. But this is fine. We don't really have to do much with this side. Just as long as you go in with the wand and wand curl it. Baby hair time! Ain't no party like a baby hair party because the baby hair party comes down. Just kidding. Spray it with the Got To Be. Just remove your clips. gently. hate when you get your hair done and the hairdresser get all the hairspray in your face? Like, now I gotta go home and wash my makeup off. Cause you messed my makeup up with the hairspray. Now I'm about to break out. Don't you hate that? Okay, so basically this is the finished look for my vintage curls and waves. And we are done. That concludes my tutorial. I hope that you learned something, and I hope that you got some good ideas on how to style your hair for this holiday season. So if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you come back for another piece of pie. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!